Hello, you're looking at Alliance Manufacturing Incorporated washer brought to you by Lanco. This is a conveyor style belt washer. This is a two-stage washer. Unit's in excellent condition. This has a internal belt system. As we walk around the end, you can see it here. Unit is currently operating. Inner dimensions 12 inches wide by 20 inches high by 18 feet long. This is a 480 volt 3-phase washer. Draws 200 FLA. You can also see here a Rosedale bag filter. This is all stainless steel construction. Once again, an AMI conveyor belt washer brought to you by Lanco. This has a 1/2 horse drive motor, also has a 2-horse pump. You can also see the exhaust blower up top, and it also has a 15 horsepower blower for the dry off section. It has a single tank. The weight is approximately 5,500 pounds. Now walk around to the exit end. See the conveyor drive motor. You look up into the chamber. You've got spray headers, and then you've got the blow off on this end. This does have a heated wash, has temp control, and also variable speed adjustment for the conveyor. Now we will operate the blower motor for you for the dry off. And we'll also operate the exhaust. We'll open up the control cabinet, and you can see the interior, which is in excellent condition. Once again, this is a 480 volt 3-phase system. It also has the variable speed control for the conveyor. This does come with all the vendor product literature. This is a 2-stage AMI conveyor belt washer brought to you by Lanco. See the exterior controllers for the wash temperature and the blow off temperature, as well as controls for the blowers, exhaust fan, and conveyor drive. If you're interested in this AMI belt washer or any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.